Hey there, fellow travelers. Mark here with Wolters World, and today we're here at the Atlanta airport outside of Chicken and Beer. That is Jocelyn's favorite restaurant to go to at any airport. I think it's more like cocktails she loves than anything else, but they got some good food too. And I thought I'd ask you is, what are your favorite eating places at airports around the world? Because you get stuck in airports and there's some places that have great food like Chicken and Beer, and there's places that don't have so good food. But I know for me, my favorite thing to get is actually hitting up Bojangles when I am here and get their chicken and biscuits when I am here in Atlanta. But I know Jocelyn, it's all about Chicken and Beer here. But the boys, they of course love their pretzels from Annie's, But what are some of the places you like at different airports around the world? Let us know so we have some good place to eat when we do travel. And let them know, for other travelers as well so they know where to pick up some good grub. Anyway, I'll say bye from here in Atlanta. And I'll give you bonus points if it's a breakfast place, because I know the worst time to get food at the airport is at breakfast, because you got basically a Starbucks and a line. That's about it. So let me know so I can find a place that maybe, possibly with my early morning flights, I can actually get some breakfast. Let me know in the comments below. Oh yeah. Okay.